I'm Dr. Rachel. I work at Lederman and Lederman DDS, and I've been here for about 5 years now. I'm one of 3 dentists in the practice. I was inspired to become a dentist for many reasons. I'm a 3rd-generation dentist. My grandfather was in the business. My dad was in the business. When I was younger, I actually didn't want to be a dentist at all. I knew I wanted to work with my hands. I knew I liked the sciences, and I knew I liked working with people, but I wanted to do something different than my parents. The thing that I like most about caring for my patients is that dentistry is unique in that we get to see patients for a long time. We see you every 6 months, and we get to see you hopefully throughout your life. And because of that, we get to make long-standing bonds with patients, and I get updates on their life and their children and their families and their jobs, and I like being able to create that closeness and intimacy with people. My philosophy on patient care is that it goes just beyond the tooth. It's not just the tooth we're working on, it's the whole person. So when I look at a person and I look at their teeth, I'm thinking about more than just their tooth. I'm wanting to know what will work for them in their life, what will improve their quality of life, and what's important to them. What I love the most about being a part of this practice in this community, I think, has to be the longevity of the practice. We've been in Bellevue for over 60 years now. My grandfather started this practice, which means that we have patients that have been coming here since they were children, and now we get to see their children. That community that we've built that trusts us and we trust them is a beautiful thing. It makes coming to work very joyous for all of us. When patients walk into our office for the first time, I want them to feel like family. I want them to know that we feel like a family to each other and we consider them family. Hopefully that allows them to feel safe and unafraid and like they're in a trusted place. Some values that our family has built this practice around are transparency and trust, definitely. It's important to us that our patients know that we're always acting in their best interest and that their health is our #1 priority. Dr. Paul has always been on the cutting edge of technology. He likes to joke that he loves having all the latest toys, and they are toys, but they do also do amazing things to improve our quality of care here. We offer same-day crowns, which is a fantastic thing that a lot of dental patients don't even know about. The fact that patients are still going to dentists where they have to wait 2 weeks for a crown and have a temporary on is crazy to me when you could be getting a crown in a single day. We have digital scanners so we don't have to take impressions. We have AI systems to read for cavities to assist us in our diagnoses, and I think being on the cutting edge of technology is really beneficial to the patients. And we're growing even more. We're actually expanding into the unit next door to us in the next couple months, which is so exciting because it means we can offer more provider chairs, see more patients, have more room for even better technology, and keep on growing. There's a few things that I wish more people understood about visiting the dentist. The dentist should not be a scary thing. You should walk into the dentist and you should feel comfortable. We have a lot of nervous patients. I think it's a really common thing to have nervousness in the dental environment, and our staff and doctors are very well versed on how to alleviate that nervousness as much as possible. I think it starts, in our philosophy, it starts when the patient walks in the door. We want you to be greeted with a smile and feel like you're not walking into a sterile environment, but you're walking into somewhere that's warm and hopefully recognizes you by name and knows the things that make you more comfortable in the dental chair. Corporations are buying up a lot of dental practices, and you might not even necessarily notice that as a patient, but this is a rare thing to be able to work with my family who has similar values to me and who has shared priorities of the patient being first instead of the dollar being first. I think in the next 10 years, dentistry is going to become even more and more efficient because we have technology to make dentistry more pain-free, faster, and better for patients. It allows us to dedicate more time to having better interpersonal reactions with the patients. I think the next big thing in dentistry is going to be AI. I mean, everybody's talking about AI. It has its scary things, but it can also be an amazing tool to help us be more efficient for our patients. I love so much about my patients in the community here. I think Bellevue is an amazing city, and we're lucky we have patients that come from not only Bellevue, but patients that come from really far away because they value us and because they're like family to us. I think the thing that I value the most about our patients is that they're happy to be here for the most part. They walk in the door and they know us and we know them, and we're able to sit down and have good conversations and catch up like friends. I hope that years from now, people remember that our practice was made by family, made for families. That's our #1 priority, is making sure that you are treated like family and that you can trust us. If a new patient were watching this video, I would tell them to just come in and give us a try. You're gonna find so many amazing practices in the area that are offering technology and cutting edge stuff, but the most important thing is how you feel in that office, and you won't know that till you come in and give it a whirl. Yeah, we just want people to have a good experience here. When they come in, from the moment they come in the door to the moment they leave, we want them to have a smile on their face, which is a big ask for a lot of people at the dentist, but that is our hope and our #1 goal.